Hi, Yvonne Musso here with ATG USA to talk about the User Coordinate System icon or the UCS icon. When you start a new drawing, you are automatically in World Coordinate System, the WCS, and the User Coordinate System, the UCS, establishes the location and the orientation. And the UCS icon is the visual representation. The UCS icon is usually found in the lower left-hand corner in the drawing area. If you do not see the UCS icon, it may be turned off through the command All in Options. Let's first go to Options, as it needs to be on in Options in order to turn it off and on through the command. Let's go to your 3D Modeling tab, and let's see if there is a check mark in the 2D wireframe and all other visual styles. Apply OK. Still do not see the UCS icon? Then it's turned off through the command. Let's go ahead and type UCS icon and turn it on. You can also go to the ribbon under the View tab and the Viewport Tools. You'll see there's a button to turn it on and off. In this example, I have a box that is in the southwest isometric view. The UCS icon and the cursor is parallel to that view. I like to add text to the left side of the box. Let's go ahead and type UCS. And you notice that my UCS icon is at my cursor. If I move about the box, you notice that the side of the box and the UCS icon changes. Let's go ahead and click on the center of the left side of the box, to the opposite side of the left side of the box, and along the box on the left side of the box. And you notice that the UCS icon and cursor has changed, and now I am parallel to the left side of the box. Let's go ahead and type empty for text. And let's go ahead and click in the left side of the box. And let's type left side of the southwest side. Oops. Side of the box. Expand that out a little bit. Let's go ahead to the viewport controls. Let's go ahead and click on Northeast Isometric. And now you can see that the UCS icon and my cursor is now parallel to the northeast side of the box. Again, I like to add text to the left side of the box. Let's go ahead and click on the command UCS. Again, the UCS icon is at my cursor. I will click on the center of the left side of the box, opposite side of the left side of the box, and along the side of the left side of the box. And my UCS icon and cursor is now parallel to the left side of the northeast side of the box. Let's click empty for text again. Click in any space along that side of the box. And let's type left side of the northeast side of the box. In this example, we have a road, and I'd like to add text that is parallel to the road or aligned to the lines of the road. Again, I would like to use the UCS command and have the UCS icon at the cursor. I'll move to the line, click on the line, my x-axis nearest along the line, and my y-axis perpendicular to the line. Again, you can see that my UCS icon has changed, and so did my cursor. Let's go ahead and type MT for text. And let's go ahead and add the name of the road, Park Lane Road. Now I'd like to add a dimension line that the text reads upright and is perpendicular to the road. So let's go ahead and type UCS again. And let me click on this line using that center point and have my x-axis perpendicular to the line and my y along the line. And now again, you can see that my UCS icon and cursor has changed. Let's go ahead and type DLI for dim line. Let's use that center point again. Let's go across. And now you see that my text is upright and I've added the dimension line. Now it's your turn. See what works for you. Thank you.